everyone, I am back. It is Tuesday, May 16th. Going to show you what's going on in my world. Russell is out for this week, so he will be non-apparent in here. Basically, it'll just be Josh and I. I'll show you kind of what's going on in my world. I'm picking back up on my high carbon slicer that I've just been in love with. I really want to see this finish, so I'm going to get to that as well as organize myself as what's going on. I've got a couple rehandles and projects that are in the midst, so I just need to kind of get my reins in for today, figure that all out. That along with industry sharpening is today, so hopefully we'll have a good influx of that. That will be the majority of my day, as well as whatever else comes in. That's going to be a quick one. I'll take it on over to Josh. Sorry.
Hi guys, I'm still here. I'm not going for a week. I'll be here. I have two kukris for refurb. They're almost done. This is a good friend of ours, and this is another really cool World War I. You can kind of see, I believe it's a genuine Gurkha infantry kukri, so that's kind of cool. A little bit of history behind this. That is all I've got going on today with, again, what Daniel said, Industry Tuesdays, and we're going to go in the showroom.
I'll follow him that way.
Follow me. Oh, hi. Good to see you guys. This is going to be a orange sod buster that we in synthetic orange handle material with a true sharp high carbon blade. These get very sharp, and it is very easy to sharpen on the spot if you are skinning an animal or breaking down an animal while hunting. This is going to be a slip joint. Just going to open just like that. So there's no button, there's no flipper, just really easy knife to use. It's kind of like your grandpa's knife, and it does have a shiny finish, which is very nice.
Right on. In stock?
These are all in stock.
All right guys, we appreciate you coming in this week. It was just starting it up. Everyone who was with us last week, thank you. Make sure you're liking, subscribing, doing all the things that we need for this channel to continue to go. We appreciate that, and we'll see you tomorrow on the next one. Hello everybody, it is Wednesday, May 17th, showing you what's going on in my world. I have got a couple rehandles I am working on. I have ordered some material for one of the slicers in my customs. I will be gluing up some liners and getting one of them already fitted up, and then I will flip on over to some folder refurb. I've had a couple small folders come in that need just a little bit of touch up for rust restoration, and then they are Damascus plates, so we're gonna have to re-etch them. Luckily, a couple of them can come apart, so that would be the majority of my day, along with whatever else comes in. I will throw it on over to Josh and show you what he's got going on.
Hey guys, so today I have two knives that I'm going to batch in leather. Because they're the same shape, it will be pretty easy to make two leather sheaths consecutively. And this one is made out of box, I believe this is maple, double dyed maple, and it has a kind of flower etch on it. And this one is crazy scales. I believe I'm looking at Daniel, seeing if he knows, but I believe it's like crazy Carta or like crazy something, and it looked kind of crazy. So I'll be getting those ready for leather, or I'll be getting leather ready. We're gonna head on into the showroom with our favorite guy, Josh.
What's up, buddy?
Oh, hey guys. Nice seeing you. So this is a Case black synthetic jigged Sodbuster Junior. It is going to be a slip joint. Here, I'm gonna.
In stock?
This is in stock.
Right on. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. We will see you on the next one. Appreciate you tuning in. Peace.
See ya.
Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday, May 18th. showing you what's going on in my world. I have got my handle material glued up for one of the knives. I basically thickened them up a little bit with some liners. I'm going to replicate this handle look and shape with a knife that basically broke at a binding point that just wasn't good for it. So I will be redoing that and hopefully getting that glued up today. But I did get the other one glued up and then now shaped down. So in this batch there's 3 knives, 2 of them are glued up. Just need to shape them up, get them the hand sanding, and then I've got the rest of the sheath for the slicer kind of taken care of. I like going with this little two-tone look. I've been playing around and messing with getting the profile of it a lot thinner, so that way it's just a sleeker looking sheath. I'm really, really happy with it. This is one of my favorite slicers I've done so far, so really enthused about getting it in stock hopefully later today. That will be the main part of my day. I did some other small refurbs yesterday on some folders. I'm not going to show that. And whatever else I get into today, I will show tomorrow, as well as whatever else walks on in. I'm going to stop being long-winded here and pass it on over to my guy Josh, show you what he's got going on.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be working on leather. I got a few carvings done, or a carving done yesterday, and I'm going to be dyeing this show side today, and hopefully sewing them onto the sheath. That, along with, again, whatever sharpening comes in, and I have to do some posting today, or schedule some posts today. That's all I've got going on. We're going to go into the showroom. I'm going to pass this over to Daniel. And here we are with our favorite guy, Josh. And hey guys, what's up? So today we have the yellow synthetic slimline trapper by Case. It is going to be a slip joint, just like the previous 3 knives. We did just get a case order, if any of you were curious. That is why we are showing so many. But I think we do have one more after this, and we'll show that tomorrow. So just a really cool slim knife.
In stock?
They are in stock.
Great. All right, guys, that's going to wrap us up for today. We appreciate you sticking in. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey, y'all, it is Friday, May 19th, showing you what's going on in my world. Going to make it a little short because we don't have too much to show, but I've got my slicer all finished up, y'all. This thing is nice and sharp. I've got the sheath all tan coated and ready. That is going to be it for that guy. We'll get it in stock. And then I'll be over to these re-handles. If I can get this guy glued up and the other ones worked on and shaped up along with some steak knives, that will be great progress for me. That's going to be my main focus for today, guys, along with whatever else comes in. Josh doesn't have anything to show, so we're just going to wrap it up here. We got one more day. We'll see you then. Take care, y'all. Peace.
Good morning. It is Saturday, May 20th. I am back from New York, and I will be working on paring knives today. So I got these glued up last Saturday, so a full week ago. So I will see if I can't get those 2 hand sanding today. I will spend the first portion, hopefully not half, but first portion of the day doing computer work. There were some emails that I didn't get to last week, and then obviously the week before when Daniel was out. So just trying to get all of that back down to where it's a manageable level. So I'll be doing that first and then working on paring knives. Other than that, here's Daniel with what he's working on today.
Hey y'all, just to catch up with what's going on in my world, I have got the last of the batch of re-handles glued up. I'm going to basically be bringing it down as similar to this shape as possible. This will be in the batch with the other 2 that I've re-handled throughout the past couple of shows that you've seen here, or episodes. That is going to be the main focus, along with my steak knives that I've been getting down. I figured I can try and throw something else in stock. If I can get all of these 2 hand sanding and then just finish the day off with just hand sanding my butt off till I can get as many of these gone and done, that will probably be my objective, along with whatever else comes in. And then next week I should be able to show you what's coming up as far as customs and refurbs that way. Otherwise, we're in the showroom with our guy, Josh. What's up, buddy?
Hey guys, so today we have 2 new handmaids in stock. This guy is going to be made out of the crazy G Cardo scales. with a buff forged finish, and these are both in 52-100 high carbon steel. This sheath is a cross draw on the back and a really nice wood grain texture. And this one is box elder burl with a creative etch. And there's the show side. And this one does have carbon fiber pins. And this is just another leather sheath with a flower carved into it, and again a cross draw on the back.
Right on. Both in stock?
They are both in stock.
All right, guys. That'll wrap us up for the week, y'all. We appreciate it. As always, make sure you're liking, commenting, subscribing, doing all the things for us to improve this. We appreciate it. Any feedback, just hit us up. And if you have any questions, do that as well. We'll see you on the next one. Take care, y'all.